Alright, everybody. I think you know what time it is. Something I've been talking about for like 3 or 4 days. An unboxing of something. You don't know what it is yet. I do. I almost dropped it. I had to go find a box. I had to go find a box cutter because I didn't want to use scissors because I wanted to look cool when I did this. So I ordered this. Oh, what day did I order? Like Friday or Saturday, I think. Yeah, I've been wanting this for a while now. Whatever's in this box, I don't know if you guys, I don't know if I should say what it is, kind of yet. Like, for all you guys know, it could be I don't know, a fleshlight or something. No, I wouldn't unbox that. That's embarrassing. I would never unbox that. Nah. Just seeing what it is. It seems like they might have got it right. I'm not sure. Get all this Alright, and then I'm just gonna, I guess you guys can probably guess what that is just from seeing that little tiny bit of it, but yes, your boy bought another pair of shoes, but this time they are Ultra Boosts. I have wanted Ultra Boosts for such a long time. One of my friends has a pair of Ultra Boost, and they're really comfortable and they look really good. And you know, they've always been too expensive for me, you know, in a way. I just couldn't ever see myself getting a pair, but I was able to get a pair for a good price this time. And so I will go ahead and show you guys which colorway I bought. These are my favorite colorway, I think, of like just the non-collaboration, non-exclusive colorways at least. It's the black and white. I really dig the way the stripes are white on this shoe. I know the normal one. These are the Ultra Boost Clima runners, or DNA Clima, whatever they are. Let me read off exactly what it says. It just says Ultra Boost. They are the Adidas Men's Ultra Boost DNA running shoes. I thought they said Clima, but apparently they don't. I know the normal Ultra Boost, though, they have the black and white ones. It's only the white with this part white, and then all this is black. These are the only ones I've seen with the white stripes going down the side, which is, it really pops for me. I really like that a lot more than just the normal, you know, black and little tiny white. Yeah, Ultra Boost feels really good. My Yeezys are Boost, so I know what the Boost feels like. It feels good. You know, it's got that mesh upper. As we know, the cage, like I said, is white right here. Usually it's black, or it's a different color, like the red ones are, you know, red. But yeah, I pretty much got these so that I could have a pair of shoes that I could beat up when I go to Disney. I wanted a new pair of sneakers that I could wear to Disney and be comfortable in, because I do have to walk around them and in them all day in Disney, because we're there for like usually 12 hours a day. So I wanted something I could actually, you know, beat the crap out of, but look good while doing it. And I didn't really want, I'm going to wear my Yeezys to Disney, but I'm only going to wear them to Disney Springs, and then I'm going to bring some Chacos for like when we're at the resort, so I can just lounge around in those and walk around, you know, not that far. But we're going to a park, you know, 3 days, so I needed a new pair of shoes to be able to do that in, and I thought Ultra Boost would work really well. So now my mom has new shoes, my dad has new shoes, and I have new shoes to wear to Disney World. And so that's exciting. I will most definitely give you guys an on-foot look in a little bit. Give it a... It smells good. It smells so good. And then, yeah, as always, you've got the Continental nothing, because it won't focus. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Never does it. But yeah, super happy about this purchase. I'm probably going to wear them tomorrow just so I can break them in a little bit, but I'm not going to wear them too much because I don't want to dirty them before we go to Disney. I want them to kind of look somewhat new-ish. You don't like that? One thing I do find interesting, though, I don't know if you can see that heel. That's kind of weird shaped right there. It does actually extend past the Boost a little bit right there. Yeah, you can see it. Right there. It extends past the Boost right there. It's kind of weird. Never seen that before. Doesn't make me hate the shoe or anything like that, necessarily. I would hope not, but interesting. I've never seen that. But, yeah, so like I was saying, very, very happy with this purchase. Very happy this is my first pair of Ultra Boosts. Probably won't be my last, to be honest, because I know these are super, super comfy, and I like comfy shoes. Yeah, I'll definitely give you guys an on-foot look right after this. Probably after I say all my stupid stuff, which you guys love to hear me say every time. If you did like this video, unboxing the men's DNA running Ultra Boost things, Ultra Boosts, we'll just call them Ultra Boost because they look, that sounds easier and is easier for me. Go ahead and drop a like on it, as always. Show your love for the Tiller doing his thing. Subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date on more unboxings kind of like this. There should be at least one unboxing next week, I think, or it could be this weekend. I don't know. It's supposed to ship out tomorrow, so we'll see. But there should be an unboxing within the next week or two, and then the Supreme unboxing should be. We'll see, because they said September 1st is when it should be shipping, so we'll see when I get the Supreme stuff so I can unbox that for you guys so you can see what I was able to actually cop on release day. And then, yeah, like I said, there's a surprise relating to Chicago coming up still, and then I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do the Loot Crate giveaway. I'll figure that out here in the next couple days or so. I'm gonna be busy though, a lot, so hopefully I can get another video up soon so you guys aren't waiting like 2 weeks to see a video. It shouldn't be 2 weeks, it should be, hopefully, in the next couple of days I should be able to find another one. I appreciate you guys for watching. Comment if you do like these. Do you like these Ultra Boosts? Do you like the colorway? Do you like Ultra Boosts in general? You know, maybe you're a Nike guy, maybe you like, you know, the Vapor Maxes and whatnot. Now I've got both, so I can kind of, maybe I'll do like a Vapor Max versus Ultra Boost video. That might be a good one to do. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. You'll be able to see an on-foot look here in a couple seconds. And until the next time I upload something, peace out.